Just jump to the nearest exit.
We should go in the elevator and get out of here.
No. Come on. Everyone's going anyway. Let's go look and see the pole station is cold. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Fire reported on your floor. There has been a fire reported on your floor. Please proceed to the stairway, exit the building. Do not use the elevator.
So see the fire alarm is cold. Follow me.
May I have your attention? There has been a fire reported on your floor. There has been a fire reported on your floor.
Ooh, the fire door is closed.
Stairway, exit the building.
What?
Do not use the elevator.
That's always been closed.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported on your floor. There has been a fire reported on your floor.
Should we go?
Please proceed.
Let's go to the lobby and see some.
Exit the building.
Hold it steady.
Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported on your floor. There has been a fire reported on your floor. Please proceed to the stairway. Exit the building. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention?
Should we go see if the pole
There has been
station's
a fire
cold?
reported on your floor. There has been a
Should we go
fire
see the pole
reported
station's
on your
cold?
floor.
Yeah.
Please
Okay.
proceed to the stairway. Exit the building. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention?
Go see the
May I
pole
have
station's
your
cold.
attention? There has been a fire reported on your floor. There has been a fire reported on your floor. Please proceed to the stairway.
Are there pole stations up here too?
Do not use
No, there's only one in the lobby.
May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported on your floor. There has been a fire reported on your floor.
Just follow me. Let's see if the pole station got cold. One second.
You're outside the ship.
No, the pole station is not cold.
Come on, people, let's move.
Yeah, let's go. Hello.
We'll look at the haunted room later. That's for sure.
Should we go upstairs to the other one?
Just imagine we have to go to the lifeboats with our life vests. Why?
Here.
No.
Are you still filming?
Yes. Why do you want to go back to the room? Come on.
Where do you want to go?
Well, we should probably go down, so follow me.
Where?
Come on.
Wake up. What are you doing?
Let's go. Why are you waiting here?
Film the flashing lights over there.
Sure, but why are you staying here?
Because I don't want to go over there and get back to it.
You got all the way down. See, this is where you're going.
Can we go downstairs?
Yeah. Alright guys, so the fire alarm went off for some reason. Probably someone pulled it. Right?
Yeah.
If we were at sea, we would be wearing the life vests, not the lifeboats. Alright.
best thing ever.
I know, right?
Make sure you film everybody when
I am
that's
filming.
That's room for the fire.
No. That's quieter than I thought a fire alarm would be.
I know. This could take a long time. Guess what?
Hey.
I forgot my cart key.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Then you grew.
Huh?
I'll go over the flash of fire.
You know that, right?
In our nice room. Are you warm?
Oh, look, even the one on the bow is going off.
I'll walk up there and we'll get some more pictures. Let's get closer to the ship and get some more video.
He thinks. I wonder if someone pulled it. You know, they're
Yeah, I
sneaky.
think so.
Well, the pole station wasn't pulled down.
Okay.